We know that running your own HVAC business is rewarding. But sometimes calling clients can be hard to keep up with. Meet Jack. Jack is very busy running his own HVAC business. Following up with leads and clients overwhelms him with disorganization. Follow-up like emailing leads, repeated call attempts, and texting customers. So Jack searches online for a solution, and he discovers Sparkle Solutions, which offers custom online advertisements, automated lead follow-up, and appointment booking software. Now Jack can focus less on telephone tag and more on growing his business. Sparkle Solutions, 1-800-393-5195.